Hey guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to create a text box in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up Power BI and open up the report you'd like to add that text box in. Then from here, we want to navigate to the top and click on the Home tab. Now below the Home tab, look for text box. This is a insert, and then we can make this smaller or larger, and then basically go ahead and write what you want inside of the text box. Now we can format this, we can change the font. So if you got a font in mind, you can go ahead and use that. We can change the height, and we can also change the boldness, change the color of the text. We can put it left, center, right. We can insert a link to the text. We can give this a bulleted list, numbered list, and you can add values and all that fun stuff as well. So we can also switch to narrative created with Copilot as well.